Working on the truck today. It's been a while since we did anything on this one. See, I got the wires off. I had the plugs out. So what's happening is engine's running super rough, and it's backfiring. So very similar to when the Camino ate a cam lobe. So it's the first thing I suspected. So I've changed the carb also twice. So this is the original one back on it. I've added a regulator with the return. So there. And there. Done that. But I did pull the valve covers off, and I rotated the engine to see if I can find a very loose rocker, and nothing was loose. So good news there. As far as I know, it hasn't ate a cam, which is good. This is a roller engine, by the way. So next up, we're going to replace the module chip. I've had already one go out in this truck. I did a tow strap at home, so we're going to just replace this and pray it's that. If it's not, I'm pretty sure I know what it is, which I planned on dealing with anyway. Not that originally I thought was a problem, but the timing chain, I have a bad feeling it's skipped a couple teeth. Because there's one thing about this engine that I cannot do is I cannot have any advance on it. Meaning, if I set it at 15 degrees, if I hook up that vacuum advance, it gets like a valve chatter noise every time. It's over advancing. So I suspected the cam gear sprocket was put in wrong. So we'll find out real quickly though, because if the module chip doesn't fix it, which I've had this happen before, where a module chip just creates, instead of go completely dead, it just creates all kinds of havoc on the ignition. So that's the only thing left. I know it's got the feel with the ignition. If that fails, then we know for sure it's the timing chain, something in there. So, and that means this truck's going to sit for a while, because my original plans, my plan still is going to be changing the heads out to the 205 valves and cam in this thing. So I was going to do I'm not sure, I might do a quiet gear drive, get rid of the chain. I'm not a big fan of chains, especially on high horsepower stuff. So we'll go from there. But let me pull this off real quick. Alright, so we're back. I don't remember. Oh, look, I'm gonna have to clean this off. Look at the numbers. I don't remember if this was an AC Delco or not. I did buy one, but I don't remember if I put it in this distributor or if I put it in the one in the Nova wagon, because I had two distributors I was working on at the time. So I don't remember. But either way, we're putting in the MSD. So we'll see how that goes. If I remember right, this one fires, I don't remember how many degrees, extra over factory. Yeah, but I do know it does fire the coil more than the original, so that's kind of interesting. These little tiny holes. Some writing on there. Can't really read it, but now we're gonna put on the jalopy. Go. Nice and covered. Little corner right there. Alrighty, nice and covered. Just gonna throw it back in the truck. Here goes nothing. Not ignition, so now either the cam head's got an issue or timing chain. I'm thinking chain is stretched out, so didn't fix it. We're gonna be tearing this engine down.